In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add layers to your draw.io diagram in Confluence and Jira. To get started, open your browser and head over to the draw.io editor. If you're working inside Confluence or Jira, this will usually open automatically when you create or edit a diagram. You'll see an untitled or existing diagram in the main canvas area with your shapes and connectors in the middle and toolbars around the edges. Before we start adding layers, make sure your diagram is open and you can see the standard draw.io interface. Layers are especially useful when you want to show different versions or views of the same diagram, like a high-level overview on one layer and technical details on another. They let you hide and show parts of the diagram without duplicating the whole thing. Now, look towards the top or side of the interface for the layers icon or menu. In many layouts, this is represented by a stack of rectangles or can be found under the View or Arrange options. Click on the area that's highlighted in your interface to open the Layers panel. This panel usually appears on the right-hand side of the screen. Once the Layers panel is visible, you'll see your default layer, often simply called Layer 1 or something similar. This is where all of your existing shapes currently live. To start using layers properly, you can add a new one by clicking the highlighted plus or Add Layer button within that panel. Give each new layer a clear, descriptive name, such as Overview, Details, or Annotations, so it's easy to remember what belongs where. Next, select the shapes you want to move onto a specific layer. You can click Individual Shapes, or click and drag to select multiple items at once. With them selected, use the highlighted option in the Layers panel to move the selection to your chosen layer. This keeps your diagram organized and makes it simple to toggle visibility. You can now click the eye icons or checkboxes beside each layer in the panel to show or hide them. This is extremely helpful when presenting diagrams in Confluence or Jira because you can focus your audience on exactly what matters in the moment. As you continue to build your diagram, remember to keep related elements together on the same layer and periodically check your Layers panel to stay organized. That's all you need to start using layers effectively in draw.io within Confluence and Jira.